Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. Today I am bringing the video of Creatify AI. This tool is very essential tool those who are running the business online. So if you have a Facebook page, you have to promote your product into your country or out of the country. The advertisement is most important part. You have to show the advertisement in attractive way. But here in this AI, what does is you have to given the prompt. According to the prompt, the video has been created. Here, this video I have just invented the milk, which name is milk cola. I just name it as milk cola. This is a newly product. So I gave the color and all just so that mix up the colors. So you can see there is a video. It is consist of yes, six various type of video has been generated. So you can pick up one of these. So here you can see first one. Here is the first video. You can see everything here. You can see this is the first video. It's here. You can see. Okay. Here there are many type of the videos there. Here. Here you can see here. Okay, so this is the I'm not specify anything else, just give the text only. Here they are based on the text they have describe the video. Okay, this how you can bring up the best eye-catching video to the customer. You can try on it. This is a very best tool. You will be able to try on it. So here how to do the thing is you go to that tool, which is this one, Creatify AI. Go to that tool. Okay, so first you have try out the starts testing free. Here you can see the before you can start it here, you can make this kind of a good videos here. This all are here. It's normally here. It's like a human. Something a realistic thing is display, but here is actually it's very best. You can make this kind of a video. So you can how to register, go to start testing free. Here you can see here that you can see here like this. Okay, so you can choose an existing product. Here already I have had one product. Click new product, enter manual. You have to display the product name, which is what is the name of the product. Here I'm going to cola orange. That's the name. Category, which is a beverage. This is a beverage, food and beverage. Okay, it's non-alcohol. Here this is the cola orange. Based on the drinking product. Okay, so you can mix up the color and all. So I'm going to orange and red. Create the product. This is the thing you have to do it. Okay, so this is a product cola orange. Click on it and use this one. Okay, so you can see that video has been creating. Very simple things I have did. Okay, you can create the pre video as well, because that here there's a they are giving the 20 credits. Okay, you can use until the credit finish. Okay, this is how I have created the video, this kind of video. Okay, here you can see this is the good videos here. Okay, you have try out this kind of videos. It's very essential for displaying your products. Okay, so these are the videos you can do it. Okay, so here you can, okay, here these are plenty of videos they are displaying here. Okay, so this is how you can do the things. Okay, this video is still rendering. Okay, So we have to wait until the video is finished. Okay, your product is still generating upon your front. Thank you for watching.